Okay, so the next one we're going to do is have a look at our company vision statement and maybe improve that a little bit or give that a little bit of pizzazz inside there. Something else we can do internally with ChatGPT that might take, for the wrong brain, for the not the writer's brain, it might take a long time to go ahead and write or rewrite this or get it into some good copy, but we can utilize this to make it happen fairly quickly. So what I'm going to do is put in a snippet of detail that is introduction. Our vision, actually I'm missing a little bit of information here. What we want to do is put in the top here, generate a vision statement that includes these details, okay? So introduction. Our vision is to make follow-up automation easy for small business success. Our values, we believe in empowering our customers, integrity in what we say we'll do, we hold ourselves accountable, and our customers' voice is our voice. Most importantly, we love a challenge and believe in our customers' dreams. These values guide our actions, decisions, so forth and so on, okay? And our call to action, join us as we make follow-up automation easy for small business success. Register for our 3 biggest small business follow-up mistakes masterclass if you want to learn more. Sign off, Jason Buckner. Okay, so let's give it a go. Again, utilizing the Bible, if you like, that has given me so much success at Automation Made Easy. We're driven by a set of core values that define who we are and how we operate. We believe in empowering our customers, providing them with the tools and knowledge they need to thrive in the competitive world of small business. Integrity is at the heart of everything we do. We hold ourselves accountable for delivering on our promises. Our customers' voice is our voice. We listen to their needs. We relish changes, so forth and so on. Just as we make our follow-up automation easy for small business success, register for our 3 biggest mistakes masterclass. Okay, so that's taken a little blurb and made it a little bit better so that we can utilize that. But then we can use this in some better ways. So let's go and take a look at seeing what we can do to utilize that. So let's take a look at this. I'm pitching a project to, let's say, Brett McFall. I need to write a proposal. The project is focused on following up automatically to get more sales, to get more attendance at a live webinar. What are the key deliverables and timeline for the project? How will I ensure that the project meets their needs? Write a proposal that is concise and persuasive. Let's give it a go. Hope this message finds you well. I'm thrilled to present a proposal that addresses the core objective of increasing attendance at your live webinars through automated follow-up strategies. Our aim is to ensure that this project aligns perfectly with your needs, delivering tangible results. It sounds very professional, doesn't it? Project title, Automated Webinar Attendance Booster. Key deliverables, customized automated follow-up sequences, personalized engagement, integration with webinar platform, data-driven optimization, comprehensive reporting. Well, I might change some of that. Week 1 to 2, 3 to 4. Okay, we might change some of that as well. Approach, thorough understanding, continuous communication, flexibility, expertise. In our conclusion, well, it's pretty professional sounding thing, but what I might do is rewrite to include key deliverable, extra key deliverable. Rewrite to include extra key deliverable, SMS attendance plan. I don't know whether this is going to work. Just flying by the seat of my pants now. Let's see what it's done. Rewrite. So, hope this addresses core activities for automated follow-up strategies, including SMS engagement. There we go. Our aim is to automated webinar attendance, customized automated email and SMS follow-up sequences. So it's rewritten it to include that in there. Yeah, really cool, really cool. So it's just another way that we can use it internally to save time and look more professional. Okay, super, super cool. And it's all, how long did that take? 5 minutes. It would have taken me a lot longer than 5 minutes to write a proposal like that.